Okay, we're gonna load the needle here. So here I'm using a 4-0 nylon monofilament suture. It's non-absorbable, as you can see there. All right, one thing I want to tell you, one mistake, just a little pearl here, is when you are taking the needle out, it's probably better and easier to take it out the way I'm doing it here and using the needle driver and not your finger to remove, or your fingers to remove the needle, because it gets tangled up as you try to remove it with your fingers. But see here, as I grab it with my needle driver and just pull right out, and it comes out in one easy motion. Now I'm actually loading the needle, I'd say about 20% or 25% or a quarter away or distal from that where the needle meets the thread, because that is called a schwag, and that's the weakest part of the needle. That's where they crimp the thread into it. So you see there, all right? So I'm not grabbing it right at the tip there at the end. And if you see, I'm right-handed, so the needle is pointing towards my left in a U shape. So that's how you should be holding it there. And here's a little bit more close up here.